to my channel. I'm in my gown because it is cold, it's winter, and my hair is kind of a mess because I wasn't planning on making a video today, but it calls for it. So I'm a pretty good cook. That's part of how I lured my husband. And when I lured him in, I was cooking a lot of American dishes. Now that it's been a few years, I'm getting bored of the American stuff. I'm gonna try to make some South African food, Tswana food, because I am part Tswana, okay? If anyone ever wondered, like, how come you sound American other times you know what's going on with the lingo, it's because I'm part Tswana. And today, I'm gonna make bop, and I'm gonna use this beef here to make chotlo. Okay, this is a Tswana dish. I'm gonna try to impress my husband today by making chotlo. Wish me luck. I'm gonna try to give you guys some steps, some recipes in case you wanna snag you an African man. I'm gonna help you out.
First things first, let's chop up a full onion. Grab a wet cloth and thank me later.
No tears. No tears. Put you a rag right there. No tears.
Next, we're tossing in our onions. Next, we're going to take the meat out of the packaging so that we can season it. I'm starting with some salt, then pepper, some cayenne for heat. Next, I'm adding some coriander. It's one of my favorite seasonings. Tell me yours down below. And finally, I'm adding some cumin. So now we want to mix it all together, make sure it's nice and even. And I'm going to do everything all over again because I like my food well spiced. It's time to brown the meat. While the meat is browning, we're going to go ahead and make our beef stock using the Norix powder. Just going to go ahead and turn the meat over to make sure that it's browning evenly on all sides. Next, I'm adding some garlic, and if there's any Tswana people watching my video at this point, I know you're thinking, "Hi bo munyana." We don't even do that. But nakarata tiro. I like things. It's finally time to add the broth, and we want to make sure that the meat gets covered, so you can go ahead and add some water or make it 100% broth, totally up to you. Then you cover this bad boy and let it cook for a couple of hours.
Okay guys, next I'm making bop. Please pay attention, because even some of my friends here don't know how to make bop. I'm gonna show you. 1 cup of water. Smells so good up in here. It's gonna be like 2 hours of marinating like that. And we're gonna take 2 cups of bop.
And my awesome in-laws got me this gift, these spoons that I use when I'm making bap. Got them in Swaziland, but I'm sure you can get them here somewhere in Joburg. But I really like getting crafted things from street vendors whenever I can. When you're making bap, you have to be patient and you have to be strong. It takes a lot of stirring. Want to make sure it gets nice and even, doesn't become clumpy or lumpy. Psst. If you want your bap to be extra delicious, add butter. Guys, I have baby wrists, but just check out the veins popping out. Like, I'm using all of my strength here. Okay? Smooth it out. Smooth it out. Bap only takes 30 minutes, so you'll definitely be waiting on the chotla for some time, but that's okay. After a couple of hours, the meat should get nice and tender and you can pull it apart with 2 forks. Then, voila! It's perfect and ready. Our bap and chotla, and I went ahead and added some chopped jalapenos on top because I'm extra. Hubby loved it. Thanks for watching!